Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to make money with a small audience. Now, it can be a misconception that you need thousands of people to start making a decent amount of money per month online, but that's simply not true. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I started making money on this exact channel, Teach Me Money Methods, a couple years ago, about a year and a half ago, with literally like 300 subscribers, started making some really notable income. So let's jump into the video. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to actually show you the inside of my accounts and kind of take you back to the beginning of Teach Me Money Methods and where it all began, right? So for one, what you're going to want to do is we can come back into the channel analytics down here, right? If we go into the channel analytics and if you just look at the lifetime right here, of course, I've made over $6,000 in ad revenue, which compared to a lot of other channels is really not incredibly amazing. But if we actually look at revenue and then we come into lifetime, you can see that I have an RPM of $17 and a CPM of $52. So it's a really, really high CPM, super cool stuff, right? But really what I want to show you right here is even down here with views or subscribers for the lifetime, and you start scrolling through here, like I created the channel and I really don't know. I might have put a video or two up and didn't do much with it until about 2020. I really started doing more, and you can see how the subscribers are just really, really slow, just a couple a day here and there, a couple a day here and there, right? And then it really didn't start really taking off until the middle of 2020, summer of 2020. So about 6 months after I created the account. And then I got serious and decided, okay, I'm going to start uploading a video per day. And then look what ended up happening. Look at the subscribers, how you can start getting up to the double digits, 10 or more per day, and so forth, right? And so during this time, let's go look at July of 2012, July 12th of 2020. And a way that we can actually look at the history of how many subscribers we had at that time is we can use a tool like Social Blade. So I'll go to Social Blade, I'll put in my channel here, and you can see I have 251 uploads. And I've actually, it would probably be over 300 right now, but I removed about 50 videos from my channel at least 6 months ago or more, 6 to 8 months ago. As you guys know, I changed the direction of the channel. I no longer was talking about Amazon KDP on this channel anymore. I was intermixing too many really large topic things, and I wanted to get away from that because this channel is more about affiliate marketing and how to make money with YouTube and how to make money online and things like that. But when we started diving into the KDP stuff, now that was taking off for me, but I made a difficult decision around that time to go ahead and remove those videos from my channel because it wasn't what I wanted to talk about anymore. And I continued to get a ton of subscribers from that content, right? So I made a big decision to change my content at that time, which is just kind of notable. So if you see any of the statistics go down right here, that's obviously because I got rid of 50 really, really high performing videos at that time. And right now you can see I'm on a growth pattern, and I'm slowly going to be growing this back to the correct audience that I'm looking for. But when we scroll all the way down here, you're going to see total subscribers for Teach Me Money Methods monthly. Okay. Come through here and let's go back over to like May of 2020. Look, I only had May of 2020 when I was just starting to get to like 8 to 10 subscribers a day. The channel was starting to show some growth, and I was publishing daily videos, probably 4 to 5 videos a week. And you can see I only had 306 subscribers then, right? Then we come back over into here, June, 364 subscribers, and then 486, so just under 500 subscribers in July of 2020. So how was I making money with let's just call it 500 subscribers, which is not very much, right? You can't even get monetized. You have to have at least 1,000 subscribers to be monetized to actually start making revenue from YouTube just paying you, right? So we come through here. I'm going to show you what I did, right? Well, I had a passionate audience at the time, and I still do. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being a subscriber of Teach Me Money Methods. But it just proves that when you do get build your channel the right way, you don't need a lot of subscribers to also make money from your channel, right? If you're giving back value, you guys can you guys be the judge, but if the channel has given you value, then many of you have turned to customers and bought in some of my courses and my products as well. I really, really appreciate that. And in turn, I give free information out on how to do affiliate marketing and such, right? And so right here, you can see on my Gumroad account that I created different products, right? And you can see that they have, reviews, 5 stars right there, 5-star, two reviews right here. This is my latest course right here, how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software and so forth, right? And then my big hitters though, and this one right here, PLR Profits Academy, there's actually one over here, and I don't know why it doesn't show up right here because it is live. It's a Fiverr Profits Academy course, which is my second best-selling course, I believe. Either way, PLR Profits Academy, many of you have enrolled in this course, and it teaches you some really ninja tactics on how to actually use PLR to profit online. And there's just some really cool methods that I use that nobody else is teaching. You can't get this information anywhere but inside this course. So PLR Profits Academy. And if I go in to products, you can actually see, I'm showing you guys the back end just so how I made almost $20,000 in revenue. And this is revenue, this is profit that gets paid out to me. And you're able to see that one of the courses, PLR Profits Academy, made over $10,000, right? And I did not sell all these for $97. Some people were able to get it on different discount deals. If we go and check it out, here is the page. It's got a 5-star review, 16 ratings. So 16 ratings, and I have almost 200 sales, right? So a lot of times, just kind of for a quick note for you guys, when you're looking at picking up a Gumroad course, you can't judge it all based off of how many ratings it actually has. It's going to, what is that? That's actually like less than 5% of people are going to leave a review on here. So you can go and check all this out. But why do I bring this up to you guys? Well, I bring it up to you guys because this course, I don't know if there's any way I can prove when I actually created this course. Actually, there is. One sec. So if I go over here in the back end and go to PLR Profits Academy, you can see I launched this course in August 17th, 2020. Okay. And this video got 480 views, but then I know I had another one. Let me go back over here and just type in PLR. Now I'm really showing you guys the back end. I hope you guys really appreciate this. I've never shared how much money the channel actually makes or what my ad revenue is. I hope that that's kind of helpful and enlightening to you guys. Look at this video right here, by the way, 22,000 views. This is my top, I made the most money from this actual video right there. But you can see August 17th, and then I did another video that I was featuring PLR Profits Academy, but I don't see it. Interesting. Well, either way, PLR Profits Academy. So August 17th, we go back to Social Blade. That was August, right? So let's go back and go to August right here of 2020. And oops, August of 2020. There was a big blow up. So I had 851 subscribers. I didn't even have 1,000 subscribers. The channel was not even monetized. YouTube was not paying me any money for having the YouTube channel. A very small audience. And I've somehow been able to, and let's just say the majority of my sales on Gumroad for this, of course, yes, it does sell. It doesn't sell as much anymore as it did in the past, but I know that I made about $5,000 to $6,000 right off the bat launching that course, PLR Profits Academy. So that is a way that you can make money without having a large audience. You can make money with a small audience, and I just proved it to you. We went back in history and showed you that that this channel made some significant money, thousands of dollars, with less than 1,000 subscribers. If you have the right audience, you're offering value to your audience, you can make a difference, and you can make money by putting out a valuable course, teaching people something. You can You could hire a programmer for $500 to design a software for you that that would be attractive to your audience, and you could launch that to just your audience and nowhere else. Don't even use another platform to launch it. I used Gumroad and my own audience to launch PLR Profits Academy. PLR Profits Academy was not launched on Warrior Plus, which I could have made a lot more money if I would have launched it on Warrior Plus. I would have had a lot of affiliates that would have signed up and went and sold it as well. I did not offer that on Warrior Plus. I only offered it on Gumroad and to my own small email list and my small YouTube channel. So I hope that this motivates you guys to go out there, start building a YouTube channel, or start building a website, or start doing something to move the needle and move you in the right direction. And it is going to take hard work, right? It doesn't happen overnight, and there is no push button method to start making money online. But I hope that I proved to you and opened up your eyes to the fact that you really can make money with a very small audience. So I hope this video brought value to you guys. And if it did, make sure to like that, push the like button, and subscribe to Teach Me Money Methods, because I'm going to be continuing to share my online journey with you guys. And so you don't want to miss out on that. Turn on the notifications. I'll see you in the next video.